Good morning, dear students. In today's class, I am going to teach you about min-max algorithm. So, in the last class, I covered different search strategies, uninformed and informed search strategies. So, this is also a kind of a search. So, you call it as min-max algorithm that comes under gaming. So, under gaming, you will have two search strategies. One is min-max algorithm and another one is alpha-beta pruning. Okay. So, now I am going to teach you min-max algorithm, a kind of game. Okay. So, it is a game algorithm. So, I have a node like this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I have some values at the lower level -3, 1, 0, 2. I have some values like this, and there are different levels when you go for it, when we go for this min-max algorithm, starting from maximum. So, this level you call it as max level, this level you call it as min level, again you call this as max level. Suppose if you have a node at the bottom, so for example for D, if you have two more nodes, H, I, okay, so this you call it as min level. So, max then min, okay. So, you may have a value here -3, -1, here 4, okay. So, you can have any number of levels, but you have to start with max level. So, max level, min level, max level, min level, max level, min level, like that it goes, okay. So, now I am going to show you how to do min-max search. So, see here at the leaf node, at the last leaf node, I have values. I need to find the value of A, okay, who wins the particular game, okay. So, I have written min-max here. Now, among this particular value, this is max level, right? I need to find the answer for D, which is at max level. So, among these two values, which one is maximum? So, maximum is -1. Among these, so this level it is over. So, I have found the value for max. Now, I have to find the value for this B, that is at minimum level. So, among these two, which one is minimum? 4 is higher, right? So, the minimum is -1. Among these two, which one is minimum? 0, 0, 2. Among these two, 0 is minimum. Now, this is A, which is at max level. So, among these two, which one is maximum? 0 or -1? 0 is maximum. So, the value for A is maximum, that is 0. Okay. So, this you call it as min-max algorithm, right? So, we have to start from the leaf node. This value I have to find. So, here -3, -1, which one is maximum? So, the maximum value is -1. So, I updated here. Then I need to find the value of B, which is at minimum value. So, -1, -1, 4, which one is minimum? -1. Here 0, 2, which one is minimum? 0. Then I need to find the value of A, which is at max level. So, here -1, 0, which one is maximum? 0. So, the value for A is 0. This you call it as min-max search, okay. So, which comes under gaming. So, next I will be teaching you about alpha-beta pruning, okay. So, now I am going to teach you how to do alpha-beta pruning. So, this is a similar kind of diagram as we have seen for min-max search. So, each dot represent a node. You can just write it as A, B, C, D if you want. So, I have some values at the leaf node, okay. You can have any number of values at the leaf node, that is not an issue here. So, you can have here 4, 3, 2, 5, 9, whatever values you want, that leaf node will have the values. So, you can do this problem with min-max also, just finding the maximum value here. 2, 3 la 3 is maximum, 5, 4 la 5 is maximum. So, like this you can do the same problem with min-max problem. But the thing is, alpha-beta pruning can avoid searching unnecessarily. So, certain nodes can be avoided while doing the searching, okay. So, that can be actually I done with the help of alpha-beta pruning. So, optimization, for the purpose of optimization in game theory, we are using this alpha-beta pruning, okay, optimization. So let's start the example. So I am starting it with this particular leaf node. So 2, 3. So what is the maximum value? Among these 2, 3, the maximum value is 3. Okay. So I have traversed this. Now here I need to find the minimum value. I don't know what the minimum value here is. Okay. I don't know the minimum value here. So here I have make a cutoff here. Now the minimum value is 3. Okay. The minimum value is 3. Below this 3, if you have value, you can modify this. After traversing here, below this 3, if I have, so minimum value is 3. Okay. So cutoff is 3. Below this 3, if you have a value, you have to update it here. Okay. I haven't done the search here till now. Okay. Now remember that below 3, if you have the value, I can update here. Now coming back here, I have 5 here. What is the state here? Maximum state. Okay. Here the state is maximum state. So here I have 5. I didn't traverse this side. Here I have 5. What you recur here is minimum lesser than 3. What you get here is 5. That is also in maximum. That is more than 5 na it will update. Here you need below 3. But I am having 5 here. Right. So it is not necessary to traverse right hand side. Clear? So this you call it as beta cutoff. Okay. Since you are doing it at the minimum, alpha cutoff, since you are doing it in the maximum level. Okay. Maximum level means alpha cutoff. Okay. So here you are having alpha cutoff. Clear? Here I had the value minimum is 3. So 2, 3. The maximum is 3. When I came here, I need to find the minimum value. I didn't traverse this side. So minimum 3. Below this 3, if I have a value here, I can update. But here at the max level, I have 5. More than 5 only I can update here. This 5 itself cannot be used here. Okay, so I am cutting it out. This you call it as alpha cutoff. So I will just update 5 here and I won't traverse this side. So 3, 5. Again the minimum value is gonna be 3 only. Okay, more than this there won't be any other possibility. Now this 3 I have updated here. This is called as max. So that meaning is I haven't traversed this side. Now the left hand side value is 3. So here the condition is 3 now. More than 3 if you have a value you can update. Now I have 3. More than this since it is maximum. If I have 4 here, 4 will come here. If I have 5 here, 5 will come here. Okay, greater than 3 if I have value, then I can update. So that is the condition here. Okay, now let's go to this particular node. I have here 0. Okay, I have here 0. Here the condition is maximum, right? Maximum. So maximum is here 0. So more than 0, if there is possibility, na I can do the search, right? More than 0, if I have the possibility, na I can do the search. So here I have updated 0. There is no child also. Okay. 0, if you see more than 0, here I have the value 3. Okay. Here I have the value 3. Here I had the value 0. That is also in the max level. So this 0 simply I have updated here. Okay. So when it comes to this particular condition, here the condition is minimum, right? Here we have minimum. So initially it can be of 0. Okay. Initially it can be of 0. This 0 I have updated here. So this 0 is at the minimum level. Now 0. More than this. So minimum level na, what is the condition here? It is 0 now. Below that if you have a value you can update, right? Below that if you have a value you can update. So here if you see it is here what is the condition? More than 3 you need. Here what is the condition? Below 0 na you can update. So there is no possibility of getting value greater than 3. So you are striking this out and this you call it as beta cutoff. Okay, beta cutoff. Okay. So here the problem is I have to get the value lesser than 0, but what is the cutoff here? I need the value greater than 3. So this is not gonna be possible. So I am just striking it out without scanning this particular portion. This you call it as beta cutoff. Now coming to this side, 2, 1 which is maximum, this is maximum level, 2, 1 which is maximum 2, and here 5, 9 which is, so when it comes here 2, again the same condition here, this is minimum level, right. So in minimum level what happens, now I have 2 here, below 2 now I can update. Below 2 if I have this, here I have 2, value 2, below 2 if I have a value here I can update. But what is the condition here? I need the value greater than 3. I need the value greater than 3. Here I need the value lesser than 2. So this cannot be attained here. So no need to search this side. Okay. So you are striking it out, and this also you call it as beta cutoff. Okay. So now here if you see, here I have value 3, here I have 0, here I have 2. Which one is maximum? 3 is maximum. So the problem has been solved. So here you have avoided this portion, and this portion, which would have been traversed unnecessarily in min-max algorithm. So this you call it as alpha beta pruning. Remember that the cutoff at maximum you call it as alpha cutoff, the cutoff at minimum you call it as beta cutoff. Okay, so it is also a very important problem. Suppose if you get confused with this alpha beta cutoff problem, you can use min-max algorithm itself to solve this problem. The answer will be same only. Okay. So in the next class I will be teaching you about constraint satisfaction problem in detail. Okay. Thank you.